If you want to use power button for Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then in that case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down and choose additional settings, and then in here let's open the gesture shortcuts. You should be able to find launch digital assistant, which of course should be activated in order to be able to use the power button for Gemini or Google Assistant. And by default we use the power button like that in order to activate the Gemini. But if it is not Gemini and you want to use it, then of course you just have to use the Gemini app. We need to open it over here, and then you will have to confirm that you want to use Gemini. On the other hand, if you want to use Google Assistant instead, then in the Gemini app we need to tap on our profile in the upper right corner, and then over here we need to choose to switch to Google Assistant, and then confirm, just select Google Assistant over here, and then confirm by choosing the switch text. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.